illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a Blue Tang fish character. So go ahead and grab your drawing materials and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our Blue Tang fish characters. The first thing we're going to do is actually draw the bottom edge of our fish. And from there we're going to add the top part on, and the top part's going to be significantly higher than what we just did. So we'll continue up here, up, over, and back down. All right, now we'll work on the tail next. So we'll start back here at the very end of our fish, and it's essentially like a triangle shape with an imperfect edge over here. All right, now we'll work on the top fin. We'll start with a slightly curved line up top over there, and a slightly curved line up top here. And then we'll connect the two. The slightly wavy line. Almost looks like a mohawk. And we'll add several little detail lines here just to show a little detail on our fin. All right, we're going to add a fin on the bottom as well. There's also two more fins here in the front. One and two. And just like the fin up top, we can add a few details to this bottom fin here. All right, illustrators, next what we're going to do is work on our fish face. So we're going to want a really large oval for the eye here, followed by a pupil. And you'll notice that I left a little spot of the paper showing through to create an eye highlight. We'll want a little smile and an eyebrow. And then we'll add one more fin here. And we can also add a few details to this fin as well. All right, now we'll add the signature Blue Tang markings. This is a really unique black spot that you'll often see on these fish. So we just want to curve around here, connect to the eye, and it kind of comes around the eye and then points back towards the tail here. And there's typically a spot of blue here in the middle of this that's really pretty and adds a nice spot of color up top when we get to that point. All right, we can add some bubbles around our Blue Tang character. This will help indicate that our fish is indeed swimming around in the water. So you can add a series of little circles at random. You can put these wherever you want around your fish. And we can also add some coral. Coral is so much fun to draw because it's basically a series of squiggly lines that you use to make little branches. And coral is also really, really fun to color because I know that coral comes in so many different colors in nature. So it's really a free-for-all in terms of your color choices here. We can also add just a few lines here underneath of our coral, some dots to show that our coral is sitting in the sand. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our Blue Tang fish character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our Blue Tang illustration. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators, or should I say, fantastic. I'm so impressed with all of your fish characters today. I hope you enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!